Okay, so it's time for the habanero. I almost said harbonaro. Harbonaro. All right, so I'm gonna have the harbonaro.
See if you can say it after tasting it.
It's good. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not rubbing my jacket.
Ooh. Good. Good.
Linux Academy is turning 7, and to celebrate, we did a chili challenge. So what we have here is several staff members who are gonna be asked Linux Academy frequently asked questions or facts, and every time they get one wrong, they're going to have a bite of super hot chili. Now, each bite is even hotter. Here are some highlights of our chili challenge. We are doing something we've never done before. We have a live audience, believe it or not. So let's hear it from them. Make noise. Yeah. We have gone with the category of growth. What website linked to our first tutorials when we were first a blog that helped us grow as a company? Hacker News for A, Nixcraft for B, C for Zynga, D for jQuery Mobile. Let's go with Chris.
The thing is the Django Mobile is a really weird.
First off, that's not a real word.
Django Mobile?
Django Mobile.
Zynga.
I was thinking.
First off, it's jQuery Mobile.
Okay.
That's one answer.
That's
the other
a
answer.
sign, Chris.
I told you it was weird.
So
that's what I picked.
So he picked D. He picked Jenga Mobile.
Yeah, I didn't even know what it was.
That was not an option. No. So we'll go with Christoph.
I hope you're right, because I also picked D.
Oh, interesting. Interesting. This game's gonna get interesting.
Yeah, that seemed like the most oddball one.
Hacker News.
Frowny face.
Frowny face.
So good job, table. You win.
Hey, there is a chance.
Yes.
You lose.
There is a chance.
jQuery Mobile published like all of our tutorials that we did on there that helped us go from 0 hits to thousands. Yeah. Good guess, guys. Good guess.
Are you ready?
No, we're not done.
Oh, yeah, right.
We are not done here. Richard, bite.
Yeah.
It was good. It was slow.
It might come.
We're gonna follow him around with a camera around the office. He's trying to put on a brave face. I see it. All right, Chris, grab me one.
Yeah, you know I'm grabbing this one.
Oh, let's do it. Podcasts.
I better get this right.
I hope so, because we've had other podcasts.
That's true. Crap.
What is the name of the most recent podcast Linux Academy has launched? We can have A for Choose Linux, B for Linux Action News, C, Pick Linux, D, Why Linux? Mr. Fisher.
A, Choose Linux.
We'll go with Christoph.
Choose Linux.
We'll skip Richard and go to Michelle.
Hey, good job, everybody.
Okay, so I know Choose Linux is the new episode, is the new series, but there was a new episode that came out after that from a different series, so I got it confused.
Upside down D.
Also, yeah, that's an upside
The
down.
latest episode is that one.
That's an upside down D. Zoom in on his face because he's really
Wait a minute,
starting
did
to
anybody
sweat.
else get that wrong?
No.
I just have not shut up about it.
It's not gonna happen instantly.
How many cloud servers did we launch with when we first started? Now today, you can launch up to 9 and different sizes. We have backups coming, we have IPv6, we have instant terminal. Cloud servers is awesome. But when we first launched, how many did we launch with? Go, Michelle.
That's what I was gonna say, but I did.
6. Go, Richard.
I did the upgrade to 6, so it's not 6.
What is that, man?
That's a 4.
Oh, okay.
4.
Yeah, dang it. I was gonna do 4 and I put 6.
That's what I was gonna do.
You're all wrong. Who's the furthest away? So 4 is closer. It was 1.
This is my second to last, so I think this is Scorpion now.
So we're tied now.
Yeah.
Tied.
I'm on.
All right.
You're on 3.
Okay.
That one. That one is
You're on the
just like Scorpion.
Scorpion.
Is that working?
Richard, grab a card.
Kinda.
Let's be a little bit risky.
All right, this says risk.
Risque.
Risk.
Woo.
You took a risk and it paid off. Richard grabbed it. He grabbed this one. And so everybody else has to eat except Richard. Richard gets a break.
I like that
Wait, I
question.
have to move up?
Yeah, you gotta do another one.
Now I'm on my last bowl? Way to pick, man.
That's my favorite. It's got to be my favorite question so far.
Oh, man.
Next to you.
Oh, man. Oh yes. It's spicy. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What was the first course that we released? LPIC 1, AWS Essentials, Introduction to Linux Academy, or Pinehead Essentials. Now, as you're doing this, fun fact, before we were Linux Academy, we were actually Pinehead.tv, Pinehead Academy, believe it or not. And then we ended up changing. All right, Michelle, do it. B, AWS Essentials. So Michelle went with Linux Academy launched with its first course as AWS Essentials. Let's see what Richard went with.
I don't think I got it right, but I don't believe AWS Essentials. I think it came along later.
Okay, so what'd you go with?
I went with C. I don't even know what that is.
Intro to Linux Academy. So
Wait,
Yeah.
that was way wrong.
So Richard went with, we launched our product and sold to our customers with just a course telling us about ourselves.
We were thinking.
Valuable.
Let's see what Christoph went with,
All right, I've got A, LPIC 1.
which is logical, which is absolutely
We'll see
logical.
if it's right.
We're
We'll
gonna
see if it's
go.
right.
We're gonna go with. But who? So you both have to.
You're on 5?
I'm on
And
five.
Richard,
We're both
you
on
are
5?
too. You both are out. You got to
Do
eat.
yourself a favor and go small. You don't have to prove anything to anybody.
You still feeling it?
Oh yeah.
Why are you zooming in? Oh, I had to chew that one. Yeah, I chewed it.
What?
Here's the stem.
It's on my lips.
Fire lips.
You just told me that.
I know. Were you licking?
In 2017, we were first mentioned on the Inc. 500. What rank were we awarded on the Inc. 500 list?
You know, I'm gonna go with 53.
Yeah. So go ahead. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the game.
Oh.
It is 78.
Oh, that's right.
There it is. That is the game. Let's see you take it.
Did he eat the pepper? That one's hot. Don't lick your lips.
That one is hot.
It'll get there anyway. I don't know how.
Just think of like saunas, like volcanoes.
Why would I do that?
Lava.
My vision is changing.
Yeah. One red.
Well, that was hot, and thank you for celebrating Linux Academy's 7th birthday with us. Now, we have so much in store this year. Make sure you hit subscribe on the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on teases, content, and feature announcements, and more fun from Linux Academy.